If you want to install Zoho Books on your mobile phone, this video is for you. In just a few simple steps, I'll show you how to download the app, install it properly, and get signed in so you can start using it right away. This is a quick and easy process, and it works great whether you're setting it up for your business, your freelance work, or just to manage your accounts on the go. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. This is where you'll find the official Zoho Books app, and downloading it from the Play Store helps make sure you're getting the correct and safe version. Once the Play Store opens, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. Now type Zoho Books into the search box. As you type, you should see app suggestions appear below. Look for the official Zoho Books app from Zoho Corporation, because that is the one you want to install. Take a second to confirm the name and logo so you know you're selecting the right app. After you find it, tap on the app listing to open the details page. On this screen, you'll see information about the app, including ratings, screenshots, and what the app can do. When you're ready, tap the Install button. Your phone will now begin downloading and installing the app automatically. Depending on your internet speed and device, this may take a few moments. Once the installation is complete, the Install button will change to Open. Tap Open to launch Zoho Books for the first time. If you prefer, you can also find the app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer and open it from there. When the app opens, you'll be asked to sign in or create an account. If you already use Zoho Books, simply enter your login details and sign in. If you're new to Zoho Books, tap the option to create a new account and follow the on-screen steps. You may need to enter your email address, set a password, and verify your account before continuing. After signing in, Zoho Books may ask for a few permissions or setup choices, depending on your device and account. Go through these prompts carefully and allow only what you're comfortable with. Once that's done, you'll be inside the app and ready to manage invoices, expenses, and your business accounts from your phone. And that's it. Zoho Books is now installed on your mobile device and ready to use. You can now access your accounting tools anytime, anywhere, without needing a computer. If this guide helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.